Hello everybody, James teacher here from Jool, and today we're taking a look at the difference between the S sound in English pronunciation and the sh sound in English pronunciation. So let's take a look at the S first of all. Now you can see my teeth are S together. S together. Your mouth can be a little bit closed if you need to be. S, s, slightly different, but your teeth are together. Your tongue is just behind your teeth. Just behind your teeth. So you're pushing against the back of your teeth. S, s. Now, the difference is when we're making the sh sound, you can see my mouth is opening up much wider. Sh, much, much wider. And my tongue is further back in my mouth. Sh, sh, sh. And you can see my tongue is moving up as I make the sh sound, okay? So let's practice a few of these words to try and get these two sounds and try to differentiate between them, okie dokie? So we have sack, sack, and shack, shack. We have sip, like a sip of water, sip. And we have ship, ship. You see my mouth is opening much more, ship. We have sore, sore, and shore, shore, sore, shore. And we have sit, sit, and okay, we won't do that one. So remember, there is a distinct difference. Your teeth are staying closer together for the s sound because you're pushing it out like a snake. For the sh sound, your teeth are open. Your mouth is much more open, and remember your tongue is going backwards when you make that sound. So to practice, try this tongue twister. My grandmother taught me this when I was a boy. Fantastic. She sells sea shells by the sea shore. The shells she sells are sea shells, I'm sure. So you practice it. Make sure you have the s, sh. So she sells sea shells, okay? And then you can do it faster. So she sells sea shells by the sea shore. The shells she sells are sea shells, I'm sure. So practice that. It's in the description below. And stay tuned for some more pronunciation videos and keep practicing. Tongue twisters, say them a million times. But remember,